Hello, my name is Tiffany and I'm a librarian at Moorhead Public Library, and today I am going to show you how to use the take-home stamp making kits that we are going to be giving out while supplies last, starting on July 5th, 2022. This project was in collaboration with the Rourke Art Gallery and Museum, so very exciting. So all you're going to need is what comes with the take-home kit, which is everything in here, and some paint. And then the only supplies you'll need from home is a sharp pointed tool, not too sharp, and something to spread your paint on. So let's take a look inside. So you'll get paint. We've got a variety of colors at the desk that you can choose from. We will have a styrofoam roller for your paint. You should have 2 pieces of styrofoam to press into, create your design, and then some paper to press your design onto. So I'm going to do a simple design today and show you how it's done. So I am going to, I think, make a cute little ghost. So you're going to start with your piece of foam, and then you're going to press into the foam firmly, but not so firm that you break through. And then I'm going to do just a couple little wiggles here, and then let's give him some eyes and a smile. So I'm going to go over this again, just making sure that I'm getting some depth there, because we're going to roll our paint over this, and we don't want our paint to get inside of these lines. So I'm trying to make it go as deep as possible without breaking through. Okay, so there we go. As you can see, it's deep, but it hasn't broken through the other side. So the next thing I'm going to do is take some of our paint, and I'm just using a plastic surface here. This is a lid to a container, and this is acrylic paint, so it's water soluble, and it will rinse off clean. So I'm just going to take some of this and do a line here. There should be plenty of paint in each cup to do several designs. So I'm going to take my foam roller here, and I'm going to try to get it on all sides, get it going. And then I'm going to take my finger and pop it through the center, and I'm going to try to roll the paint. This is a pretty smooth surface, so it doesn't have a lot for it to stick to, so you kind of got to help it go at first. I imagine something with like a little bit more textured surface might help. But now that we've got some paint on there, let's get some excess off and make sure that we've got a nice even coat. I'm going to go over this a couple times. Make sure I get all the way around. Okay, so then I'm just going to pick up my design, and I'm going to gently I'm going to start with the edges first. I'm going to try my best to not get inside my design. And it's just rolling over nice. Okay. You can see I got a little bit of paint in here, but that's okay. So I'm going to move my plastic to the side and grab a sheet of paper that came in the kit. And then I'm going to gently flip it over and line it up where I want and place it down. And then I'm going to smooth it out with my fingers. And press. And when I'm ready, I'm just going to peel it off. And there we go. Your very own stamp. And I've done this a couple times, and I've used different types of textured paper, and I think they would make really lovely greeting cards, or you can do all different kinds of designs. A leaf would be great. Did one of those. So yeah, there's lots of different things you can do, and this is just a piece of foam from a paper plate. So yeah, feel free to cut some up and keep making designs. I can't wait to see what you make.